Which is the best healthy skin item? There is actually nothing similar to the best healthy skin item. There truly can't be in any way similar to the best skin health management item, since healthy skin items turn out distinctively for various individuals, in light of the skin type somewhat. An item that is the best skin health management item for one individual may wind up being the most noticeably terrible for someone else. Anyway, a more sensible inquiry to pose would be what is the best skin health management item for my kind of skin. Be that as it may, this actually isn't totally legitimate. We will in general isolate individuals into 4 gatherings dependent on their skin types, for example dry skin, sleek skin, ordinary skin and touchy skin. In any case, this order is simply too wide to ever be utilized authoritatively in deciding the best healthy skin item. We can say best skin health management item for a dry skin or best skin health management item for a sleek skin are preferred proclamations over best healthy skin item. However, that is the thing that it is better, still not precise. Along these lines, it truly comes to rewording the inquiry to what is the best healthy skin item for me. Indeed, this is actually the inquiry that you ought to present, and lamentably there is no simple response for this. Showing up at the best skin health management item for self will require some exertion on your part. To start with, you need to see how the healthy skin items work. This is straightforward. You can consider all healthy skin items to be made out of 2 sorts of fixings, active and inert. The dynamic fixings are the ones that really work on your skin. The latent ones simply help in conveying these dynamic fixings to your skin. Both the fixings need to work for your skin, altogether for the item to be powerful, and proceed onward to turn into the best healthy skin item for you. Other than the fixings, the manner in which you apply your skin health management items is similarly significant. Indeed, this is significantly more significant. In the event that you don't have a clue how to apply skin health management items, you may perpetually be chasing for the best skin health management item for yourself, when that has passed you. In addition, it's likewise essential to settle on the recurrence of use of the skin health management item. The ecological components, temperature, stickiness and contamination level, likewise influence the choice of the best healthy skin item. Here are a couple of decides that you could use to guarantee that your best skin health management item is actually the awesome you. Cleanse your skin prior to applying that best healthy skin item. Use a cosmetics remover rather than plain water and eliminate your cosmetics prior to hitting the sag. The adequacy of dynamic fixings is diminished when applied over another item, for example over cream. So apply that best skin health management item first and afterward apply a touch of cream if necessary. Apply the items on sodden and warm skin. You should explore different avenues regarding a couple of items before you show up at the one that is the best skin health management item for you. Do not shed excessively or excessively hard. Vary your healthy skin standard according to the seasons, winter/summer and so on, changes in natural factors and changes in your skin type. Note that the best healthy skin item can't be resolved for the time being. It's just through analysis and mindfulness that you can track down the best skin health management item for you.